I'm Eva. I'm from Czech Republic and I'm 22 years old.
Hi, I'm Alexander. I'm from North Macedonia. I'm 21 years old.
Hello, I'm Petar and this is Jackass. No, it's not Jackass.
No, you.
Oh no, we're going to cook тавče Gravče today, which is traditional Macedonian dish, and we're gonna show you how to cook it.
So let's get started.
Yes, papa!
About the ingredients, we will need 1 chopped pepper, 1 chopped onion, about 300 grams of beans, which were soaked overnight with bay leaves, a little bit of flour, a little bit of oil, and as for the spices, we'll need a little bit of paprika, black pepper, and salt.
Baked beans in Macedonian style, the best. You should all include that in your diet. You want it all?